Hello and welcome to the second of these Donner challenges. So, in today's challenge, I am going to be playing Tomb Runner, which is pretty simple and actually similar to Temple Run. And all you have to do when you want to collect the coins, like either stay on the same lane or if you want to move either left or right, you just press the left keys and all that, like in Temple Run, in the classic version especially. So throughout this challenge, my target is to obtain at least 500 coins with 10 minutes. All right, so this is Tomb Runner, and if I get to a run where I get 500 coins, then I'm good. This actually seems pretty similar, like I'm running away from all the chimpanzees. Oh, that was pretty big. That was pretty fast. Feels like a fairy tale at this spot. Yeah, you have to keep it this side. Like, otherwise that would be a big of an injury. Get to this cave. There we go, we got a magnet now, that's much easier. Oh, that was like 1-to-1, wasn't that? Ah, my magnet expired. Well, you have to walk all the way from such a height, oh my god. I really like the texture of this, I really like the background of this. Even though it's pretty high and scary if you fall off, like it satisfies me the way that it is made. Okay, well, I was about to fall here and I made it to 254 diamonds. No! Alright, man, I pressed too early. Oh man, so I made it to 266. No way! Oh my god, that was so long. Oh my god, I could have just made it to my death by that. Oh, another one. Like, am I becoming advanced at this? Like, is this what it's telling me, or what even is this? There's plenty. Oh my god, these are like zombie statues over here. Can't even tell which is which. Okay, well, sometimes the texture changes. Okay, well, thank god I didn't jump too early at this moment. And sometimes you get the sense that there's traps around instead of big heights at this point. Ah, spikes. Oh man, I don't like them. This feels strange. Alright, well, that could have been another boo-boo. Alright, well, here we come to the bamboos again. Oh, man. At least the music is legendary. Oh, this is fun. No way! Man, these spiky things, like sometimes they just bring you right in. Ah, man, I missed the multiplier. Like, unless if you hit the spikes, you feel pretty confident in where you're going. Like, the keyboard. You can see I have plenty of skins, but let's just get with this. This keyboard is pretty insane sometimes. I don't even know why it does whatever it does. Like sometimes it just acts too early, or sometimes it just takes such an advantage. Oh, there we go. That's when it gets to the tunnels again. Okay, thankfully I didn't take the other side. Should I have really said that or no? Oh, man, what a miracle. Ah! Yeah, you see, this is like where it really drags you in. Okay, I didn't act too early. Yeah. Oh, another one. Another one bites dust. Oh, man. There was like 4 of them. Okay, thankfully got through all of them. Now we got another one, but this time like upside instead of sideways. Oh, good. Ah, magnet power. Ha, okay, another 4. Well, alright, well now it's starting to look pretty spooky as heck in here. Ah, good. Alright, now you can get double. That's much easier. Ah, okay. Oh, here it comes to the bamboos again. Like I'm getting bamboozled all of a sudden by this heights and all the bamboo textures. Now I feel like I'm going even faster than... Wow, that speed. Ah, I was so close. I was nearly there. Oh, we got a shield. Oh! Wow, you can't even protect yourself. Oh, that's not even the water. Like, you don't even fall, even if you move to the other side with this power-up. And it also protects against the spikes, well, just for a limited amount of time. Just like in a classic Temple Run game. Like a dungeon. All these creeps getting together like spiders in the middle of the night. It feels like you're changing directions every time. Okay, that will be much more useful because otherwise that would have been an epic fail. So many electric buzzes everywhere, and spikes too. I have no idea why there's so many of them ahead. There we go. And sometimes the bridge, like the length between one ground and the next, is so long that you don't even know if you pressed it too early. Like sometimes that just makes you bamboozled and discombobulated. Well, alright, we made it to 325 for now. Oh, that was a close call, you guys. Yes. Doubler. Ooh, lucky. Yes! Here we go. I win the challenge already. Wow, now I feel like I'm going even faster and faster with another one of those powers. Okay, well, this shows a sign that it's expiring. Now I'm going insanely fast. I don't even know where I'm going. Oh. Alright, well, I made it to 605. Well, I passed my target by 105. So my final score was 605 diamonds, with 2 minutes and 54 seconds remaining in the challenge. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys probably in my next challenge.